Hello, if you want to record sounds on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, you can use the voice recorder that you can find in the app drawer in Samsung folder. So if you go over here, you have the voice recorder, and if you go over here, you can start recording by pressing this microphone at the bottom of the screen. If you do this for the first time, you will need to grant permission to certain things like access to files, etc. in order to make the app, in order to allow the app to save files and then of course read voice recordings in the future. As you can see, we are recording right now. We can pause the recording at any point. We can resume the recording whenever we want to. We can also completely stop the recording by pressing this square button over here on the right side. And then we have the name of our recording. We can change the name. We can also create a category if needed, and we can press save. And there we go. Now over here we have the list of all recordings, and we can simply return to the recording that we have created, and we can press play in order to listen to it. And that's pretty much it. You can also tap on these three lines in the top left corner in order to find some categories. We can also find trash, so if you remove something, you will find it in trash for 30 days before it is removed completely and forever. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.